How to clear the Spotify cache. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to clear the Spotify cache. Now let's get right into the tutorial. I will show you 2 steps on clearing the cache in the Spotify application on your device. First, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Now, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Spotify application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. The next step is to clear cache in Spotify application itself. To do that, go ahead and open the Spotify application on your device. Here, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and further tap on the settings and privacy option. You will see the option for storage. Tap on that and then go ahead and tap on the clear cache option you see there. In the pop-up that appears, tap on clear cache again, and this is how you can clear the Spotify cache. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.